Hi there, Lisa here from Your Immunity Kitchen. Increasing your vegetable intake or changing your diet to vegan really changes not only how you feel, but how you cook. I eat way better since becoming vegan. More flavour, more adventurous in creating my meals, and I love showing people how good vegan food can really be. Now, when I started this journey, there were three main steps that I found that made the basis of what I was looking to achieve so I could be confident in the changes that I was making. Now, number one is to go slowly. Take it step by step daily and don't rush. Number two is to get organized. Find easy recipes that you like already or that you would like to try and have the ingredients in your cupboards and fridge. Make some of them up so that you can grab them if you're having a busy day, because preparation can be your savior. For example, some of the basics I have on hand are nuts and seeds and rice cakes in my pantry, and hummus, carrots, celery sticks in my fridge for a quick snack. Now, number three is focus on what you can eat and not what you might feel like you're missing out on. To be very honest, since becoming vegan, I've realized that my food is more interesting and has more flavor than it's ever had before. I love making new dishes and using the herbs and spices to give amazing flavor and great tasting food. I also love surprising people with the flavor and the realization that vegan food tastes amazing and not boring like most think. This is why I love to show everyone easy recipes to make that I know they will enjoy. So don't hold yourself back. If it's becoming more plant-based or going vegan you want to do, just take that step forward, as it is the best thing you will ever do. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. We have a great monthly program with lots of plant-based and vegan recipes and lots of help along the way. And if you want to see it live, then you can come to one of our themed masterclasses we hold throughout the year. So if you want to see more, then join the Your Immunity Kitchen YouTube channel and come cook with me.